Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel, and this is TechLach over here, and today we'll be doing some unboxing. I know guys, it's very new to our channel and I've done zero unboxing videos in this channel. I had made this channel for unboxing and tech review, but I don't know what happened. I didn't have a proper mic and I didn't have proper lighting, so I hadn't bought anything, so I could not make any unboxing videos or reviews. So guys, I have got a mic over here, which is a Maono mic, and we will be doing some unboxing and reviews and a test about it. So hit the subscribe button if you're new in the channel, and hit that like button if you like my content. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, this whole video I'll be talking from this mic from 3 inches far away from my mouth. So let's begin. So guys, right off the box we'll get this Maono mic, which is a lavalier microphone, and on the top it's a logo of Maono, and the bottom is also a logo of Maono, and the sides it says smartphone, camera, presentation, interview and computer. So on the other side, let's see what's there. So there's some features and specifications. So at the behind of the thing is some description of it, and I'll give you that in the description. So without further ado, let's just get inside the box. So in the box we direct get this very high quality packaging of this Maono mic. So it's a very high quality packaging. I love the packaging. It's so smooth and clean, and it doesn't have any damage or anything. So right off the box we get these two cards over here, and there's a specifications card and a greetings card, I guess, because it's written happy and need for help. This is a greeting card where they are greeting, I guess, and there any help section in that. So, and there's something behind how to use the microphone in the other card. So guys, let's see what's in the box. So we get to the right of the product after these two cards, and the pouch we get the microphone itself. So the microphone is really high quality. I love it, and this whole video is made by using this microphone. As you can guys hear, the voice is very crispy and clear. So from my side it's really big yes, and a big yes because the last time I was using a Samsung earphones mic. So you guys have been hearing those voices from my other videos and they were not at all clear or crispy. So this microphone is really clear and crispy, and these are all the things you get from the box. So guys, let's get into the mic. So here are the three things which is necessary. This is the carrying case which they give, which is a really high quality one, and that's the thing I like about this. And then here's the clip which I attached it before I could show you guys to test it, but it's very sticky clip. I don't know why you can't remove it. It's very difficult to remove it, and even adjusting it's very difficult. I don't know why, but yeah. So this is the three stripe pin which is used for phones, which is used in phone for recording audio, and this is the two stripe adapter which you can use for a computer to record your voice. So guys, this is the thing they gave, which is an adapter, but if you buy another mic or something which I haven't seen doesn't give any adapter for it, for a two stripe adapter, you need to buy an external from an external place to do it to the computer. You can't record it from the 3-pin. So guys, here's the mic itself, and the mic is very smooth, and the outer covering, the wind muff, is very smooth and clear. I'm saying it's clear because there is no noise, background noise. As you can hear my voice, that it doesn't have any background noise, and it's very crispy and clear. So that is it guys, and this is the unboxing, this is the review, and this was the test. So this will be coming, more unboxings will be coming. Thanks for watching, and I'll meet you in the next video. Stay tuned, stay safe, bye.
Bored in the house and I'm in the house, bored in the house and I'm in the house, bored in the motherfucker in the house, bored in the motherfucker in the house and I'm in the house, bored in the house.